Okay, today we are going to learn mathematics at senior secondary level in grade 10. Most learners today, they are facing mathematics or they have challenges in mathematics, not because they are not intelligent, but they are lacking some of the methods to use when tackling questions in mathematics. So today, we'll just handle one question which was brought in 2020 uh, by the ECZ, which is Examination Council of Zambia. So stay focused, here it goes. You can set. The question reads, solve the equation 2x plus 5 in brackets, x minus 1 in brackets is equals to 0, 2020, paper 1. First thing, we'll use method number 1. Copy the question the way it is. 2x plus 5 in brackets, again x minus 1 in brackets is equals to 0. What are we supposed to do? The first thing, we need to get the first concept there in brackets, which is 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, we get the next concept in brackets, which is x minus 1 in brackets is equals to 0. How are we going to remove the brackets? We need to remove the brackets, okay? By adding a 1 here, by adding a 1 there, okay? 1 times 2x, it will be 2x plus 1 times 5, it will be 5 is equals to 0. 1 times x, it will be x minus 1 times 1, it will be a 1 is equals to 0. Now, what will be the next step? We need to group the like terms together, which is 2x will remain here. The 0 will be grouped with negative 5, because when you when 5 skip the equal sign, it will be a negative there because it is a positive here. Same applies that side, x will remain, 0 will be grouped with plus 1. Okay? 2x is equals to 0 minus 5. The answer will be a negative 5. Okay? Then we need to remove we need to leave x alone. How are we going to remove x alone? Or how are we going to leave x alone? We need to divide both sides by 2. Okay? The similarities have gone, then we have remained with x here. 2 into 5, let's write the negative in advance here. 2 into 5, it goes 2 times, remainder 1. So 2 into that 1, it can't go. Put a point and add a 0 there. 2 into 10, it will be a 5. So the answer here, it is a negative 2.5. Or, let's go now to that one. We finish that one. X is equals to 0 plus 1. When 0 is added to 1, the answer will be just a 1. So, the answer for x is, it will be x is equals to negative 2.5 or positive 1. We are done with this one, method 1. Let's also use another method so that we can find same answers. Method number 2. Okay? We need to copy the question the way it is. Let's bring down the question. 2x plus 5 in brackets, again x minus 1 in brackets is equals to 0. What are we supposed to do? We need to multiply this against that. How are we going to handle it? Let's get the 2x, okay, will be multiplied by x minus 1 there. Again, plus 5 will multiply x minus 1 there is equals to 0. Okay. 2x times x, the answer will be 2x squared minus 2x times 1, it will be 2x plus 5 times x, it will be just 5x. Positive times negative, negative. 5 times times 1, it will be just a 5 is equals to 0. Okay, so we need to add the similarities. Okay, 2x squared, negative times positive, the answer is negative. Okay, let's write it aside. Negative 2x plus a 5x. Negative plus positive, the answer is negative. Then touch here. Okay? So we are going to subtract, but the answer, it will carry the sign of a bigger number. It will be just like 2x minus 5x. But don't forget these signs. They are very much needed. Okay? 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Okay? 3 what? 3x. Now, let's go back there. Which number is bigger between 2 and 5? The number which is big is 5. It has which sign? Positive. So, the 3, it will remain in positive form. So, we'll bring that 3 here, plus 3x minus 5. Okay? Let's forget about the 0 first there. Okay? So, we'll put product, sum, factors. Okay? So, we'll do like that. How are we going to find the product? We need to multiply 2 times negative 5. The answer will be negative 10. How are we going to find the sum? The sum is the middle number, the middle concept here. The middle number is between 2 and 5 is 3. So we just write positive 3 here. Now, let's look for two numbers, the factors of 3 and 10. Two numbers, when we add them, they should give us 3. When we multiply them, they should give us negative 10. What are those numbers? Let's try 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay? So let's put a negative here, let's put a positive here. So negative 2 times positive 5, the answer will be negative 10. Negative 2 plus 5, the answer will subtract, but the answer will carry the sign of a bigger number. So 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Then what is the bigger number? 5. The sign is positive, so it will remain positive. So these are the factors, negative 2 and 5. Let's now replace the factors now that side to our equation. 2x squared, let's get negative 2, including the negative 2, let's get now that x. Don't write the 3 and the positive, no. Let's go and get positive 5. Let's get again this x, then minus 5 there. Okay? So, let's factor out now. Now you understand even the method we are using here. This is factorization method. Let's factor out. What is common here and here? It will be 2x. After we have removed 2x here, the remaining is what? X minus 2x. It has been removed there. The remaining is 1. Okay? Let's write the positive there. What is common here? 5. Fact it out. What has remained after we have removed a 5? X has remained there. So, the secret part, whatever we are writing here, they must be similar to this. If not, let's go back and check on our factors. If they are similar, then we'll proceed. Our answer will be correct. So, 5 into 5, first, positive times negative, the answer is negative. 5 into 5, the answer is what? 1. As you can see, what is in our bracket here, they are just the same. So, when you see that what is inside the brackets are just the same, don't even get worried. Your answer will be correct. So, let's get the outsiders now. 2x will go with positive 5 there. Make one bracket. Then choose between the two, the one you want. Me, I like this one or that one, whatever. Okay? This is our final stage, but not the final answer. Let's now bring that 0 now. We bring that 0 now so that it can help us. We'll write 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, or x minus a 1 is equals to 0. Let's even put the brackets. Somebody will just ask that, where have you taken the brackets? Let's remove the brackets now by including 1. 1 times 2x, the answer is 2x. 1 times 5, the answer is 5 is equals to 0. 1 times x, the answer is x. 1 times negative 1, the answer is negative 1 is equals to 0 there. Let's now finalize and find the answer. Let's group the like terms together. 2x is equals to 0 minus 5. Don't even ask that where is the minus coming from. You know when 5 positive 5, skip equal sign. When it goes to the other side, it will be a negative. So 2x is equals to 0 minus 5, it will be negative 5 over 2. It has gone, x has remained alone. 2 into 5, let's write the negative in advance. 2 into 5, it goes 2 times, remainder 1. 2 into 1, it can put a point and add a 0. 2 into 10, it will be 5. Or, let's go that side. X minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 plus a 1. X is equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. So, negative 2.5 or x is equals to 1. These are our two answers. So, let's compare. Let's check what is here and what is there. The answers are just the same, but different methods. You don't need to panic. If you have forgotten that one, you can even use this one. If you know this one, you can't even use that one. So, when you are learning, you must know even 4 or 5 different methods against one topic. Then you will pass your final exam. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.